गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं अभी बताने जा रहा हूँ कि रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू ए प्रिज्म एंड व्हाट इज प्रिज्म। प्रिज्म इज ए 3D ऑब्जेक्ट, 3D transparent object, and it has two triangle and three rectangular face. It is two triangular face and three rectangular face. That is then refraction through a prism. We draw a first prism. This is incident ray, this is refracted, and this is emergent. Sorry, this is emergent ray. Then we draw a normal. Both this is end point, this is increase in this direction. Okay, this is increase in this direction. This point is N. Okay, this is angle of prism, that is A, that is Q. Okay, this is I. This point is Q. Okay, this point is Q, clearly visible. QA, QN, R. Okay, this angle is emergent. Okay, then this is R1 and this is R2 and MQR. In triangle MQR, R1 and R2 join. Okay, then in AQNR is a quadrilateral. AQNR is a quadrilateral. Okay, then angle A plus AQN plus QNR, okay, plus NRA is equal to 360 degree. Okay, then angle A plus 90 degree plus QNR plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then A plus QNR is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree is equal to 180 degree. In triangle QNR. Okay, in triangle QNR, R1 plus R2 plus QNR is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then angle A plus QNR is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 plus R2 plus QNR. This angle will cancel. A is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, then del M is equal to I minus R1 plus E minus R2. Okay, then very important question. I plus E minus R1 plus R2. Okay, this implies I plus E del is equal to I plus E minus E. Okay, minus A angle. Yes, ठीक. In then del m is equal to m. We put del m is equal to m. Del m is equal to del, and I is equal to E, and R1 is equal to R2. Then we substitute this value in this equation. Del m is equal to I plus I, 2I minus A. Okay, this implies that I is equal, okay, del m is equal to 2I minus A, that is I is equal to del m plus A by 2. I is equal to del m plus A by 2. Then A is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 is equal to R2. This is A is equal to R1 plus R1, 2R1. That is A is equal to R1 plus R2. I will write R1 is equal to R2. Then A is equal to 2R. A is equal to 2R. This implies that R is equal to A by 2. Okay, R1 is equal to R2. That is, I will write A is equal to 2R. This is R is equal to A by 2. Then del m is equal to sin I divided by sin R is equal to del m plus A by 2 divided by sin of del m plus A by 2 divided by sin of A by 2. Okay, if the prism is thin, then A tends to 0, then del m tends to 0, then n21. n21 is equal to n2 is equal to surrounding refractive index. Surrounding n1 is equal to surrounding refractive index. n2 is equal to material refractive index. n21 is equal to relative refractive index. Relative refractive index of material. Relative refractive index of material. Material with respect to surrounding refractive index. Clearly mention n1 is equal to surrounding refractive index, n2 is equal to material refractive index, n21 is equal to relative refractive index of material with respect to surrounding refractive index. Clearly mention. Then n21 is equal to this del m. If prism is thin, then del m A tends to 0, del m tends to 0, then del m plus A by 2 divided by A by 2. 2 will be cancelled. n21 is equal to del m plus A by A. This implies that after cross multiplication, A and 21 is equal to del m plus A. Clearly visible. This implies that A and 21 minus A is equal to del m. This implies that we take common. A will be common. A and 2 1 minus 1 is equal to del m. Or limit x tends to 0, sin x divided by x is equal to 1. This is all about refraction through a prism. We have to write quadrilateral AQNR, and okay, then R1 plus R2 plus QNR is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then we have to write in this way. This is the all about angle of a refraction through a prism. Thank you.